Alright, good morning everybody. It is Wednesday. Please read through the disclaimer. Let's look at the charts and the setups for today. Please remember this afternoon at 5 o'clock. It is Bank of Canada rate statement. I don't expect them to do anything here. As I said earlier, the Fed will move first, and then 2:30 CPI numbers from the US. Also not much going on there. So let's go to the charts. Let's go to the setups for today. Obviously, let's continue where we ended yesterday with the dollar index. Now, I said yesterday that I want to see what kind of candle is playing out here, how we will close for the day, and let's look at this. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick. This is a bearish reversal. This is exactly how a bearish engulfing candlestick should look. But more importantly for me is that we are staying below this invalidation area at 93. So it's a past support, future resistance area where this bearish engulfing candlestick has been formed. And now also we can see that it's in the equilex box. So it's just not a bearish engulfing candlestick in the middle of nowhere with no significance. That bearish engulfing candlestick is at a very technical, very important level for me. Now, if I go to smaller time frames, not much seen on the 1 hour chart here, very sideways. But the key here for me is on the 15 minute. Now, I've adjusted the wave count. The RSI helped us here. Remember that we said last week, or actually yesterday, we saw this as the wave 4, that we're waiting for the wave 5 to go lower. The RSI is assisting us and helping us here to show us that this 5-wave structure is complete, that the wave 1 is in place here. Let's look at the RSI, a lot of divergence there, and now this 3-wave pullback. So the market came back, the dollar index came back to this Fibonacci level at the 50% here. Maybe we're going to get the 618, which is also past support, future resistance. So guys, I am staying below, bearish below 92.50. I'm looking for one leg at least one more low on the dollar index, and now I can go to the other major pairs. So adjusted the euro as well. There is divergence. The RSI is assisting us here that this first wave is complete, that now that this second bounce was the 3-wave pullback, that this can be the second wave, and now we can go to the upside. So we have survived the pullback. Our stop losses are on break even. If this market can start to rally now, let's look at the target area here. What shall be the target for this move? Is this the length of wave 1? This is the end of the correction. Waves 3 usually find sellers at the 1618. So we can go after this 120 area. So we're in this already with a 30 pip stop loss, and we've got 130, 160 pip move with this. So that is 4 times the risk. That is a very good trade. That is above 10% for this trade. Let's see if the market can start to rally here. If we take out the highs, if you're not in this trade yet, you can buy it now. Stop losses below 1836, or wait for the market to break this resistance level, the wave 1. And then you can put your stop losses below the wave 2. So that 120 area is my first target area for this move. Let's see what the market gives us here. I am very excited about this. Our stop losses on our break even, and everything here tells us upside. I want to buy the Aussie this morning. It's a bullish 5-0 pattern. Also, this is the end of a 5-wave sequence. That is the wave 1. Let's look at this decline here. I'm not very convinced that this is the completed correction here. That looks only as a wave A. I'm looking perhaps a wave B and one drop to the downside. Stop losses should be below 76.20. If I commit to this trade, obviously I will let you know. The other scenario is that if we break the wave 1, I will commit to this trade to the upside. Then this wave 2 has been completed. But this is a very nice 5-0 pattern. Bullish 5-0, but it didn't hit the 50% level here. Let's see what the market gives us. I want to buy the Aussie as well. Now it's easy to go to the rest of the charts. They're also the same. I'm looking to sell this Swedish krona at 55.70 at that 61.8%. That's a completed 5 waves down. Singapore dollar as well, perhaps a little bit higher, maybe get one low here and then the push higher into the zone. I will sell stop losses above 35.30. That is a completed 5-wave structure to the downside. The Euro Aussie is just hovering around. We did break this head and shoulders neckline yesterday. We committed to the trade. Our stop losses at 55.35. Let's see if the market just tested the backside here and can give us a move back to this 53.35. That's where our take profit area is. And then I want to look for buying opportunities. The bigger structure here is a bullish Gartley. Very nice demand zone there. I just want to get out this short trade as a day trade perspective. Get into long positions as a position trader with stop losses below these lows. Took a trade yesterday on NASDAQ. I'm out of it. I see more bullishness on this. I actually got out too early, but that's okay. This is a small bullish flag. So let's just see if the market can give us a buying opportunity there. On the left hand side, drive, guys, who took this trade? This trade setup was given to you yesterday. This bullish Gartley was explained to you. The market was at these levels. Let me just get this right. The market was down here when I told you yesterday or the day before that this is a bullish Gartley. You can buy it with your stop losses below 12,200, and that is already a 500 pip move. So who took this trade? Remember, you don't have to wait for me. All of this, the analysis and the setups and the patterns are given to you on the left hand side. You just have to see and put the stop losses at the right place. Very nice 500 pip trade here. Chinese yuan the same. I'm looking for a pullback to sell it with stop losses above that resistance level. That one. We will stay bearish below 56.30. Right, looking for selling opportunities. And the dollar Swiss the same. It is a little bit too shallow for me. I'm looking for a deeper pullback. I'm looking at this as an A wave, perhaps a B wave this morning. A push into this 61.8% at 93.40 or somewhere there. I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Stop losses will be above. I'm looking at this as the wave 1 or A, the wave 2 or B, and at least a move to the downside. Those are my outlook setups for today, or my setups that I'm looking for today. If something happens, I will let you know immediately. We are in the euro. We are long already. Stop losses at 1960, and we are short on the Euro Aussie. Our stop losses at 535. Any one of those others that will trigger this morning, I will surely let you know. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.